Hey guys, welcome back to another experiment. So today we're gonna make slime. So for this experiment, you're gonna need glue. You can do clear or white glue. If you want it to be clear slime, then use clear glue. And if you want it to be not clear, then use white glue. And you're also gonna need water, soap, whichever kind of soap you have. I'm using dish soap right now. Food coloring, I'm gonna use red, and liquid starch. I'm gonna put it in this bottle. Okay, so step number one, glue. So,
Oh my gosh, honey, that's a lot too.
Okay, that's enough.
Stop.
Okay,
Stop right there.
okay. Yeah, so that's a lot of glue because I need to
That's
make
how-
a lot of slime.
I think that's how many matches.
I need to make a lot of slime because I have two brothers. I have this one right here and another baby brother who's at school right now. Okay, so, and now we have to put water.
Oh my gosh, that's twice much. That's it.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, and now we need soap. Okay, there's the soap. Now, food coloring.
How many drops?
Yeah, you can do 3.
Okay.
So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so, and you need to mix it up. And you see it like a lot. It looks really cool. That's not the last step. It's not the last step. So it's getting a lot of bubble. Okay. My brother's gonna mix it a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. That's good.
No,
that's good.
that's not good.
Dude, look what you're doing.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. And now the liquid starch.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's enough, I think. Let's mix
Okay,
it.
let's mix it up.
Oh,
You can really see it. Look at it.
Yeah.
That's the blob. My turn.
Stop. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay, my turn. Wait.
Oh my gosh. How are you making that? The big bob. Well, I did it first, actually. It's not me. Oh my.
Oh, slime!
Are you serious?
I know.
Come on. A little bit more. I need a little. Ow! That's so hard.
Oh. Wait, let me try.
Boom. Shaka
Oh, whoa, that's hard.
Boom.
Okay, let's test it out.
Let's. Oh no.
Okay, here we go.
You first.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
Ah! This is slime!
Oh.
Slime! I mean, science!
Oh. Science.
Take it. Ah! Slime! Oh, I'm gonna make a bubble.
Wait, make a bubble? How would you make a bubble?
I wish I had like something that I can like put this on so I can like make a bubble, like make a hole first
This is slime.
and then like put it on something.
Oh my god, I'm gonna try to pass it like a. It's too
Look,
sticky.
wait.
It's so stretchy.
Okay, here.
This is so stretchy.
I need like a board.
Look, I'm making like a little bubble.
Oh yeah. Now blow.
Who did it? A bubble! Henry, another bubble. Henry, look, another bubble.
Oh, I can't right now.
Oh my gosh,
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. See ya.